CSS cascading style sheet stands for describing the HTML element that should be displayed on the web page. Now CSS is a language that describes the style of an HTML document, how the web page should display, how the web page will be using the fonts, how the background color, what the text color, everything I can define with the help of CSS. It allows you to control the layout of multiple web pages and all at once. Multiple means more than 2 web pages together. I can make the formatting with the help of CSS. Now when we are using CSS, we will not use the attribute values of the tags that we have learned up till now or we have used in the 11th standard. For example, body BG color pink, text blue. Instead of that, we will write something what is shown here like this. Okay, let's see. Next. Now here body tag BG color is used. Now the BG color and text attributes is identified as property. The body tag is called as selector. See here, selector and the declaration are the two parts of this CSS style. Now we will see the example based on this. H1. Now H1 is a selector. Property color. Its value is white. Text align is property. Center is its value. Same thing is displayed here. Take another example. Paragraph. P tag. P tag, it is called P selector. What attribute it is taking? Font family. Value is Vardhana. Font size is 20 pixels. Okay. Next. Now this CSS is defined 3 ways. Means the way we are writing down CSS is of 3 types. Inline CSS. Inline CSS is written with the style attribute in the HTML start tag. Then we have internal CSS. Internal CSS is written with the style and style tags inside the head section. External CSS. External CSS is written with a separate CSS file. Now see the inline style, difference between these 3. Inline style, it is used to apply only on the single element, means single tag. Take a single tag, paragraph tag, and then write down the style for that single tag. We are using inline CSS. Inline CSS is written with the style attribute in the HTML start tag. Internal or embedded CSS. It is used to apply on single web page or a document. It is written inside the style and style in head section. Third, external CSS. External CSS is applied on multiple web pages. More than 1 or 2 web pages when I want to format, I will use external CSS. It is written with a link. Remember students, it is used with the link tag inside the head section.